So this is my 2017 Tacoma. It's a TRD Sport, and today I'm going to be installing the IBoard. This is the box, just the way it is from Amazon. We're going to cut this open and hopefully everything will go well. So the cover is off the box. Let's see what we got. Okay, let's lay out this content. So the box has been unpacked. Here's all the components laid out on the ground. Everything matches. These are the nuts and bolts and washers. The parts count matches what's on the directions list. So now we're going to remove the plugs from the mounting holes. There are 6 of these, 3 on each side, and they should screw right out. Okay, there's one. There's 2. Here's 3. So this is the driver's side front bracket installation. I'm gonna try to line this up with the hole. There's one. Okay, so for now, this is just finger tight. And I'll go on to the next one. So there's all 3 brackets installed. This is the driver's side. And the passenger side is also installed. Same exact procedure. All the bolts are hand tightened only. Okay, now that everything's in place, I'm going to tighten up all the bolts. These bottom ones here, this is a 13 millimeter. Okay. Okay, now for tightening up the board itself. This is a 10mm socket. That almost does it. Okay, so this is the last bolt. Tighten this one up. And this should do it. Okay, that's tight. And they're all tight. And so, that's done. And there's the IBoard installed. That is the passenger side. And here is the driver's side. Not bad.